Hey guys, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and today I wanted to pop in and show you a time saving tip for solopreneurs or crafty individuals who sometimes might struggle with writing product descriptions for your digital downloads, whether that's on your PayHip site, Etsy shop, or Shopify, or wherever it is that you are adding your listing. Today, I'm using a custom GPT that I created that I do have available on my site. But it is a custom GPT that is used with Chat GPT. And I'm working on crafting a product listing for a printable game that I created. So, what I'm going to do um, here you'll see in this GPT, I have several conversation starters, but one of the ways that I like to use this just in my own personal business is simply going here to this attached file, clicking on that little paper clip, and going to upload from computer. And then I will pop into the images that I have created for my listing, and I can just pop those in, and I'm going to actually attach two different ones. So to attach more than one image, I'm holding down my control key, and then I'm going to click open, and then it's going to upload it into the system. And once it's complete here, you'll see this little arrow. It'll be black where we can push it. Okay, so now it's ready. Those have been uploaded. So I'm just going to press the button. Now I could put some text here and say something like, please help me write an Etsy description or PayHip description, but I'm just going to press the button and see what we come up with. Okay, so this GPT is telling me, oh, okay, hey, that looks like a fun interactive Easter themed printable game that you created based on the design. Here's how you could optimize it for Etsy and Pinterest, because that's what I programmed it to do, is to do Etsy listings and suggest ways of promoting it on Pinterest. I also have other custom GPTs that I've created to help with listing products on places like TPT or Creative Fabrica as well. So it's giving me a suggested title here, and it's giving me a description, what's included, how to use it, what it's perfect for, and it's giving you some suggested tags to include in your product description. And then it also goes on and give me some Pinterest pin suggestions. And it gives me three different ones. It gives me some options on the pin description, and also give me some ideas of how I could design the pin. And it will go on and give me some suggestions on social media captions or posts that I could create to promote this particular product. And then it'll ask, hey, do you want any additional blog or content ideas? And what I could do from there is like, yes, please give me some blog ideas. Okay, so let's just do that. Give me some, let's give me Yes, please give me a blog idea that I could use to help promote this item. Okay, so it's thinking, and then it's going to come up with an idea. Telling me I could do a post called 10 Fun and Easy Easter Activities for Kids Families. And it gives me an overview, and it also breaks down an outline. It gives me some blog title suggestions and a call to action. And I could go further with working with it and saying, okay, can you give me a first draft? One of the things to note, is that it's I always encourage people to look at AI as an assistant. It is here to help you, but it's not to replace you. So you want to look at the whatever it writes and you want to tweak it and so that it speaks and sounds in a voice that's authentic to your brand and your style. Um, but I wanted to pop in, and like I said, I do have another GPT that will write TPT, which is Teachers Pay Teachers product listing, and I could call that particular GPT by putting an at sign and start typing. If I can remember, yeah, okay, it's called the Edu Market Master AI. So if I add that and say, can you write me a TPT product description for this item? And it tells you that I'm messaging the EduMarket Master AI. And after it has had time to think on it, okay, so it gave me a TPT product description. And you see it's slightly different from the one from Etsy. It goes into how to play, what's included, some key features, who's it perfect for. And it also gives me some keyword ideas here as well. So if you're someone who finds yourself stumped when it comes to writing product description for your digital downloads, I would encourage you to look at using AI as your assistant to help you with that. If you're interested in getting a copy of my GPT, it's available here um, for you to purchase. And if you have any questions, but you can also, if you're not interested in purchasing a custom GPT, you can also work with Chat GPT and it can help give you some ideas. You just kind of would have to prime it and give it some examples of what it is that you're looking for. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the in the comment section, and I'll follow up with you. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.